Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you my yummy coconut orange bread recipe. I eat to stay in shape and healthy. If you want to always stay in shape without fat, belly fat, arm fat, these are the kinds of healthy bread recipes you want to go for. So it is coconut orange bread, and the first ingredient will be coconut flour. So this is coconut flour. You can find it at Walmart, Cup Foods. You can find it at ShopRite if you're not in Africa. If you're not in the US, you can find it at ShopRite. They sell it there, coconut flour, and what you need is 1 cup of coconut flour. This is so nourishing and easily metabolizes without the hard processed flour, which doesn't really break down easily by your system, storing up, causing belly fat and weight gain. So this is 1 cup of flour, and you want to mix because there might be some lumps. If you don't mix so well, your mixture might not come out really smooth, and it will not rise properly. So the next thing you want to add in here will be baking powder. This is a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of baking powder is just enough for the 1 cup of flour, and I'll be adding half a teaspoon of baking soda. So this is half a teaspoon of baking soda to help rise this cake or bread, and I'll be adding a pinch of salt as well. So you want to add like half a teaspoon of salt. Make sure to mix so all these dry ingredients really get like mixed together with your coconut flour, so it doesn't taste it doesn't really rise properly, or the salt getting throughout the flour. So the next thing you want to add is 6 egg. So you want to break 6 egg into your bowl. This is a bowl for wet ingredients. Before I'll mix up everything together. So I'll be using 6 egg, and I'll be using half a cup of, you can use olive oil, coconut oil, or melted butter. You just get your butter. So this is butter. If you're using butter, you simply just need to melt half a cup of butter. If you're using olive oil, half a cup of olive oil, but I'll be using coconut oil. And I'll be using honey as my sweetener. You remember, we want to be healthy here. So this is my honey. My honey looks this way because it is bee pollen honey. You can use the regular organic honey, which looks kind of dark. So this is orange. Now I want to add into the wet ingredients. Remember, it is coconut orange cake or coconut orange bread recipe. So one of the ingredients will be orange. So I want to achieve like 1/3 cup of orange juice. This will act as my flavor. This will help you easily break down this bread as well, because oranges help you break down and metabolize food so fast. So it is good for flavor and equally to help you easily metabolize this bread, even though it is very healthy, made without white flour, which is difficult to break down. This is so easy because this is nuts are very healthy. So this is my orange juice. This is when I'm adding the orange juice. After you mix up your ingredients, you add your orange juice, and you follow now with your flour, your dry ingredients. So that is the flour, the coconut flour that I added in some baking soda, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. You want to mix and get this consistency. Once you get this consistency, know this is just okay. So if you like, you can add in some, I'm not adding any coconut flakes or whatever, because this is already, the coconut is so beautiful, so I don't need to add any other thing like raisins or coconut flakes, whatever. This is so, it tastes so good in the mouth. Yeah, you want to try this recipe. So what you want to do is to put in a pan. So before I started doing this, I put my oven to 350. So you want to set your oven to preheat to 350. So when it preheats to 350, mine is at 310 now, but I'll just keep so that it slowly gets to 350. You leave it in here for 50 minutes, like 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, this is what you will get. So this is 50 minutes after, and voila, this is my coconut orange bread recipe. So nourishing, so yummy. It tastes really excellent in the mouth. You want to try, you can have a slice of this. Just one slice of this will keep you so full in the morning with your tea as breakfast. So nourishing, and you can store the remaining in your refrigerator to carry you for the whole week, and you will always stay in shape. You will hardly have that chunky belly fat, because coconut easily breaks down by your system. Your system can easily break it down, unlike white flour, like the bread from white flour that your system stresses because the flour is processed, and it becomes so difficult, and that is how you end up with belly fat, weight gain. So this is the kind of healthy recipe you want to go for if you want to always stay in shape, because your system will easily break it down without it storing up, causing belly fat and weight gain, and you always stay healthy as well. Coconut is one of the world's most healthiest um, foods as well. You want to get into these, plus the orange juice. Like, this is a very healthy recipe you want to incorporate or add into your daily life, and trust me, you will enjoy it. Plus you will live a very healthy life eating these kinds of bread. So yeah, I thought of sharing with you this recipe of mine today. I make this and I consume for like the whole week. This keeps me away from white bread and with all the calories, and this easily breaks down and so yummy as well. So yeah, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Health is wealth. Health is the best thing you want to pamper yourself with. Take care of yourself, like have that good health. Take care of yourself. Yes, I can't reiterate enough. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.